Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if a TECLAST T60 comes with a case inside of the box. Let's open the box and see if there's a case inside. I'm gonna leave to the top lid first, and then the first thing we see is the tablet. So let's take it out and see what's under it. And under it we got a user manual with warranty rules and warranty card, as well as a charging brick, USB-C on both ends cable that's compatible with this charger, and a SIM card tray opener, but there is no case inside the box. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.